Yeah, boy. Hi Snakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back again today with another girl group mix. Today I'm going to be catching up. I went away, by the way, so if you aren't part of my Patreon, I suggest you can join like the free membership. I usually leave more updates there, like letting you know what I'm doing, if I'm going away. So join as a free member and you'll be able to know like what I'm doing. But I was away for a week, but I'm back now and I'm going to be playing catch up. I'm going to be doing 2 girl group mixes. The first one is today, but then I'll be doing another one on Monday. So if you're watching this and you're like, oh, you've missed something, oh, you didn't do this or that, please wait patiently until the next girl group mix. But in this video, I'm going to be reacting to 5 MVs. First up, I'm going to be reacting to Aespa's Kiss and Tell. Super excited for that. KATSEYE's Animal. JENNIE Less Than a Lover. Promisenain's Vitamin Me. And then last but not least, I'll be reacting to GIRLSET Chat. Like I said, I know there have been more releases, even today, but you have to be patient until I get round to the next girl group mix. I'm going to be doing album first listens as well for Aespa and Promisenain, but that won't be today. And yeah, super excited. Let's just go. Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time. Okay guys, so just because I'm reacting to like 5 MVs today, I don't want the video to be too long. I'm going to try and keep my yapping between each MV to a minimum. I say try, you know me, I like to yap. But yeah, we're starting off with Aespa. Let's go. Love that ringing sound, the melodies, the gritty synth. Sorry, like, you know when I talk about sound effects and all this sort of stuff, how much I hate them. Now, there was a chime and there was like glitter. Now, I don't know if that was an addition. I don't know if that's a sound effect or part of the song. But when I talk about sound effects and adding to an MV and adding to sounds, that's what I mean. So whether someone like editing the MV added that in to match the song, or someone added the sound in to match the visuals, that's what works for me. That's what works for me. Oh, I've got a feeling about it. There it goes. Hush, hush. Nah, this might actually be my favourite Aespa song of all time. I'm not even joking. Are you being serious right now? It's a diva house chorus. Also, it's very J-poppy as well. Like, oh my god. I wanna kiss and tell. Oh, that's stuck in my head. Wow, wow. Be my favorite Aespa song of all time. No, I'm not even joking. Oh my god, stop the choreo. Hold on. Another muscle mummy? What MV was I reacting to recently? I was like, oh, there's a muscle mummy. We got another muscle mummy. This bit, the ad-libs, the ooh, ah. Something about the bridge is giving me 소녀시대, Girls' Generation. Is it the Love and Peace album? Something about that bridge, that's what that's giving me. Oh my god. The chords. The chords. There's fireworks. They done me dirty with the fireworks. But you know what? I love this so much. I love this so much that I don't care that there's fireworks. Listen to this. Listen. This bit. Bro, the ad-libs are crazy. Oh. Right, I've got to pause one because there's something in my eye. Sorry guys, I know you don't want to watch me fucking poking my eye out. And I know, you know I'm not going to edit this out, but there's literally something in my eyeball. I can feel it, bro. I can feel it, bro. I don't know what that was, bro. It's all that glitter they've been throwing around in the MV. It's got in my eye. That's happened before. Okay. Yeah, I'm being cheeky. Guys, I can't have this video like 40 minutes long. That note! Look at the choreo. I don't usually like it when groups like completely switch their sound. Like they go from a concept and a sound they're known for and then all of a sudden they just change. I'm not a fan of that. However, if Aespa want to just start putting out tunes like this and only tunes like this, I'm here for it. Sorry guys, I had to go and get whatever was in my eye out. I'm okay now. Let's continue with KATSEYE. You know me, I'm not too big on their songs, but I'm always entertained. They look fantastic.
You
eyebrows look really nice. They're blonde. She always comes through with the vocals. Her voice is so good. Most chords. I actually like this bit. Is that Demi Moore?
Do you like? No. Is that the shoe? I don't think so. No.
So they've had Jessica Alba, Demi Moore.
Alright, let's get wild.
Demi Moore's having crazy faces. She's good. As I expected, not a song that I'd personally put on and listen to. The girls are very charismatic though, and I felt like this was a little bit more vocally strong, like they were allowed to show their vocals a little bit more. Guys, I'm gonna have to edit this video to fade in and out because last time I reacted to her, the MV got blocked.
She's very confused, but also knows what she wants.
So just avoid
Just to enjoy
copyright.
summer.
Jennie!
Don't rush, teaching me how to trust. Don't have to be on the cover. It's just us.
This is nice.
When we open up and get to know each other.
So in this next scene, we meet in the hallway. We look into each other's eyes and we smile. Okay?
Cute. This is really nice. She sounds good.
We've been on the road for hours, not knowing our destination. So we just decide to soak in the moment.
Little bum cheeks. She's so cute.
at the beach. It almost feels like a date. And you can't control your emotions.
I was going to say, I was going to say it then, but I'm not going to say it. I'll wait until it finishes. I don't want to avoid the ending. I'm just yapping anyway. I've been trying not to pause it. Oh, there's lots going on still after this. Okay, that's fine. I can talk while this is going on. I really liked the song. The melodies were really nice and her voice sounded extra good. What I was going to say is when the song first cut out, I was going to be like, oh, that's a bit annoying. Because you guys know I hate it when songs do that. But I think her narrating and the pauses, for once, didn't annoy me. I think it worked really well with the song. And she looks so pretty, man.
I think you need a dose of vitamin E.
That's a bossa nova style. Let's give it Latin jazz. Promisenine love a flight. They love a plane in a flight. I just want to remind you that I really did not like their last comeback. I think it was their last comeback, wasn't it? I really didn't like that. This.
I'll mix it up on a silver platter now. Call it vitamin E. I'ma make you happy. Take all my lemon face. Love it like you do. Get you feeling I'ma make you happy. 'Cause you're gonna help me. Put me on your happy. Yes, me. Got a boost of vitamin me. Not A, B, C.
Yeah. 비출 때 지금 넌 바라만 부족해 'Cause I'm feeling you just come alive. I'm the best pick me up that you ever had. 게으른 네 심장을 뛰게 해. 네가 바라던 노래 sing along like oh. 하나 둘 셋 맘을 refresh 새빨간 grapefruit. Oh, the melodies.
원하는 색깔 맘대로 섞어든 숨을 들이켜. I'll mix it up on a silver platter now. Call it vitamin E. I'ma make you happy. Take all my lemon face. Love it like you do. Got you feeling you. I'ma make you happy. 'Cause you're gonna happy. Baby, I'm not happy. Yes, me. Got a boost of vitamin.
I love that. Those. Also, that vitamin pill looked ridiculously like an ecstasy pill. The way it was imprinted like that. 10 out of 10. That was a 10 out of 10 for me. That's the type of Promisenine track I love. See, that was a weed gummy. They're out here having a blast. Let's go, GIRLSET.
Too much. They tryna get me. Pipe down, the stitch getting sticky. Tell me how I live, so risky. Tell me
What's this?
if I
Simon
miss the
Barton?
chat, would you miss me? Wagwan, pretty kitty.
What did she just say? Please don't tell me she just said Wagwan. Please don't tell me she just said Wagwan.
I left the chat, would
Am
you
I losing my
miss
mind
me?
here?
Wagwan.
Who said Wagwan? Is there a Jamaican who said Wagwan? The only people I hear saying Wagwan is Jamaicans, Jamaican patois. Because of that, it made its way into MLE, Multicultural London English. So if you're from London, like if you grew up in certain areas, we all speak like a mesh of different, like, so we speak like African, a lot of pidgin, like Jamaican patois, Arabic, like you'll hear people that aren't, like you'll hear people say like mashallah, like just, that's just what we do, like it's multicultural London English. Outside of that, I think maybe Canada as well, they do say, because they have the like sort of Jamaican diaspora over there as well. But I'm sorry, that's just so weird to me. Like, why are you saying Wagwan?
How I live, so risky. Tell me if I left the chat, would you miss me? Wagwan, pretty kitty. How she
Wagwan, pretty kitty.
Do you hear me? You and I
Sorry, that was a bit cringe.
Can you feel me?
Running the synth.
Bad girl, when I come through, them bitches getting yappy.
Bad gal.
Girl, when they come through this.
Bad gal. I'm sorry, this is really cringy to me. I'm sorry. And the thing is, I really like the song. Like, I really like the song. I do. I genuinely do. But the bad gal and the Wagwan is just throwing me off a bit. It's throwing me off a bit. You don't say that in your day to day. That's not you.
Bad cat, when they come through the steady talking cappy.
The song slaps though. I can't lie. The song slaps. Not fireworks. There's like the fireworks in this as well. Oh man.
Wait, you guys can see me, right? Like, we're back? Yes, right. We were watching the chat music video. Let me play it again. Okay. Honestly, the song slap.
The song slapped. It was good. I really enjoyed it. Vocals, fantastic. But it did make me cringe. It made me cringe. Felt very inauthentic. Now, I know they're not K-pop, but as a K-pop reactor, okay, I have become accustomed to inauthenticity. Okay? You know what I'm talking about. Rap line of every group always tend to have, anytime there's English lyrics, you're like, do you speak like that on a daily basis? No. Do you dress like that? Do you act like that? Like, no. We know that. But I've become accustomed to it. Like, I just ignore it. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. The song slap, it is what it is. It's cringe, but like I said, you just become accustomed to it. You just learn to accept. You just learn to accept it. My issue here is, this is a global group, right? It's a global group. They all speak English very well. Did they write the lyrics? If they wrote the lyrics, do they speak like that on a daily basis? If they do, why? 2, if they didn't write the lyrics, I feel like, as they are English lyrics, they should kind of have a say on what they're singing and what represents. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I don't know. I feel like because it's a global group, you can't get away with it. I feel the same way with Iggy Azalea. Is it Iggy Azalea or Iggy Azalea? Bro, come on. Does anybody take her seriously? She's from Australia and she raps like, do you know what I mean? She's from Atlanta or something. I don't know. It just doesn't work. Like, why? I feel like with K-pop, if someone does that and they do that, it's just like, whatever, like, whatever. But when it's someone that's grown up, like, in the West, is like fully, I don't know, it's really cringy, I don't know. Oh no, it's just really cringy. And I think maybe more so because it was like Jamaican patois. Yeah, I don't know. The song slapped though, the song slapped. That's it. I've got nothing else left to say other than I'll be doing an album first listen for Promisenine and Aespa tomorrow over on Patreon, Ball Python Tier. I've got another girl group catch up coming up, so if you're waiting for like Artemis and other stuff, Yarnine and whatever, please be patient. Let me know which group you're here for, what artist you're here for. Let me know if you discovered anything new. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, love you. Go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Goodbye.